There's a brand new job title forming right now, and most people building AI systems haven't noticed it yet. The AI partner. Not the AI builder who ships a slick tool and disappears. The partner who ties every automation to a number a business owner actually cares about. Today, we're breaking down the service ladder solo creators are climbing to get paid for this, from a $100 workshop all the way to a 5-figure monthly retainer. Plus, the one scoping habit that's the difference between a demo that dies and a system that sticks. Okay, let's dive in.
Imagine it's the early 2000s, and, you're the only person in your city who knows how to build a website.
Oh, the classic webmaster gold rush.
Right, exactly. And that exact same gold rush is happening right now today in August 2026, but this time it's AI.
Yeah, it's a massive shift.
It really is. So if you're already fluent in AI tools, our mission for this morning's deep dive is, cutting through all that endless hype.
Right, like those 50,000 prompt mega bundles just cluttering up your feed.
Exactly. We want to ignore the noise and explore a newly confirmed, highly profitable service category for you, the solo creator, the AI educator, coach, and consultant.
And to really understand why this massive window of opportunity exists, we have to look at the corporate shadow AI problem.
Oh, right. Because official corporate guidance on AI right now is, it's either terrible or just completely restrictive.
Exactly. So it's basically useless. And employees are secretly downloading local offline large language models.
Wait, really? Just running them locally?
Yeah, they're doing this specifically to bypass corporate firewalls and, keep sensitive company data from being fed into public models like ChatGPT.
Just so they can actually get their work done. They're basically running rogue IT departments out of their cubicles just to survive their inboxes.
Pretty much, yeah. But what's fascinating here is how this pent-up demand is translating into actual dollars today. Like, Meta is currently preparing Hatch.
Right, their premium AI agent platform.
Yeah, and they're looking at charging up to $200 a month for it. Big tech is completely normalizing these high-ticket AI subscriptions for everyday consumers.
Which means small businesses are suddenly waking up. Like if a basic consumer tool costs $200 a month, they realize they need to invest serious money into custom B2B AI solutions to stay competitive.
Exactly. The budgets are there.
Okay, walk me through it. Because I see the demand, but if I walk into a local plumbing business or a law firm and say, I'm an AI consultant, they're going to think I'm selling snake oil.
Oh, totally. That's a huge fear for creators right now.
Plus, I don't know Python, so how is a non-developer supposed to actually deliver on this?
See, that is the biggest misconception holding people back. You aren't positioning yourself as an AI builder. You're an AI partner.
A partner. Okay, so what's the difference?
Well, because of natural language interfaces like Claude Code, the technical barrier is virtually gone. You aren't writing complex Python. You literally just type in plain English, build me a script that sorts these invoices.
Wow, so the tool just bridges that gap between conversational English and actual programming.
Exactly. Your real job isn't coding, it's finding the business's constraints, and it always boils down to 3 buckets.
Right, which are getting more customers, making those customers worth more, or cutting costs.
You got it. It's just pure business strategy.
That perfectly aligns with this whole idea that shortcut seeking is the new work ethic. You aren't pitching them a fancy software stack.
No, definitely not.
You're essentially building them a custom AI employee designed to take a very specific, expensive hour of manual work off their plate.
Precisely. And once you identify those expensive constraints, there's a very clear 4-rung service ladder.
Yeah.
To actually price and deliver this without, scaring clients off.
Right. A hype-free framework. So what's rung 0?
Rung 0 is education and consulting. You charge around, say, $100 to $500 an hour just to assess their current mess and educate them on what's possible.
Here's where it gets really interesting, though. That rung 0 consulting hour is secretly just about building the company's business brain.
Yes, because if you just plug an advanced AI agent into a messy, totally disorganized Google Drive,
It's going to pull a vacation policy from 2018 and like an outdated sales script from 2022. The AI will hallucinate completely.
It's essentially highly paid digital decluttering. You have to force the business to clean house and build a centralized, accurate database before the AI can even function.
Which means the best AI consultants often solve major business problems without even writing a single prompt. They just finally fix the client's broken internal workflows.
That happens all the time. It really does. From there, you move to rung 1, which is the audit.
And that's not just a quick chat, right?
No, this involves shadowing an employee for a day, meticulously mapping out their bottlenecks. Then comes rung 2, the project, where you actually deploy those natural language tools to build the automation.
Got it. And the final rung?
Rung 3 is the retainer. This is where you charge anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 a month to maintain the systems, update prompts when AI models inevitably update, and just ensure everything keeps running smoothly.
I love that. That latter makes it so much more approachable. You aren't selling a massive overhaul on day one. You're just selling that first hour of clarity.
Yeah, but this does raise an important contrarian question from our sources.
Oh, what's that?
What happens if this market oversaturates? Or even more pressing, what happens if these AI tools become so incredibly user-friendly out of the box that businesses simply don't need a consultant to shadow them or set anything up anymore?
So bottom line, what do you actually do with this? If AI eventually becomes perfectly autonomous and utterly effortless for anyone to use, maybe tech consulting itself will become entirely obsolete.
It's a real possibility we have to consider.
It makes you wonder, if the technology becomes invisible, will the ultimate premium service of the 2030s revert entirely back to purely human-to-human empathy and connection? We might just end up valuing the one thing an AI can't automate.
So if you're sitting on AI skills nobody's paying you for yet, the fix isn't a bigger pitch deck. It's a smaller first offer. Like this if it landed, comment which rung of the service ladder you're starting on, and subscribe so tomorrow's drop doesn't slip past you. Catch you next time.